Hey guys, it's Grace. Walang plano pero may ganap. Welcome to another little adventure with me. And for today's ganap, nasa Malagos Garden Resort tayo here in Davao City. Apparently, today's agenda is chocolate, fish, and bird. But here's something I found really interesting. Chocolate can actually have different aromas and flavor notes depending on the cacao variety, where it was grown, and how the beans were fermented and roasted. So may fruity, floral, nutty, spicy, caramel-like, or even earth. First up, chocolate making. Fun fact, cacao beans are actually the seeds of the cacao fruit, and before they become chocolate, they go through fermentation, drying, roasting, and grinding. So we also got to make our own chocolate. So imagine, from cacao beans na dumaan sa napakaraming proseso. Then pumili lang kami ng add-ons, mango, pistachio, almonds para sa aming chocolate making. Finally, nasa kamay ko na, at syempre hindi na siya umabot ng matagal. Binigyan lang kami ng brief instruction kung paano namin gawin. And look, heto na nga, gumagawa na kami. Ang messy lang, akala ko expert na ako pero hindi pa pala. By the way, little trivia about Malagos. This place has been welcoming visitors since 1994, and it's not just a garden resort. It's actually an agri-ecotourism destination focused on nature, agriculture, and conservation. And fun fact, the Malagos Chocolate Museum was the first chocolate museum in the Philippines, and their experience takes you from cacao tree to chocolate bar. So yes, done na, kaya ni-ref na muna. So habang pinapalamig, pumunta muna kami, nag-ikot-ikot. And ito yung kulintang. Hawak ko ang bit. Skoy time, grabe, ang satisfying ng mga block nila. The moment they saw food, nagkaroon agad ng family reunion. Bakit parang may only buffet na kailangan nila mauna? Then came my favorite part, bird petting. Look at this colorful little cuties. Some of them were so friendly na dumapo talaga sa kamay, shoulder, and eventually sa ulo ko. At this point, hindi na ako nagpepet ng birds. Ako na yung naging bird furniture. Pero ang OA ng reaction ko. Samantalang tong asawa ko, kalmado lang siya, and mukhang nag-enjoy naman talaga siya. Pero honestly, ang cute nila. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung experience na yan. And look, may turtle din pala. Super kalmado lang. Actually, habang nag-iikot kami dito, mas na-realize ko na hindi lang pala siya about taking pretty picture. And one thing I really like is how they make the experience interactive. Hindi lang tayo taga-view, pwede kang maki-experience, makagawa, makapag-feed, and actually get closer to nature. Then of course, we had to try their chocolate making experience. And so if you're looking for a place in Davao where you can combine nature, learning, animals, and food, Malagos is definitely worth experiencing. So may buffet talaga dito, hindi ko lang na-videohan. Then, pauwi na kami. Nagulat lang ako kasi first time ko na-experience sumakay ng aeroplano. Nasa pinakaharap kami, 1A at 1B yung upuan namin. And eto siya, guys. And tinanong kami ng flight attendant if willing ba kami mag-open ng door if ever may emergency. And we say yes. So, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share. Kung na-enjoy mo to, abangan mo ulit ang next vlog ko. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.